Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this vibration flash effect on CapCut PC. So first you're going to get your video, and I just basically right clicked on the video and select split scene. Then you are going to select your video. I'm just going to select the second one. Go to animation in and select swing bottom, and you're going to add in the effect for 2 seconds. And you're just going to do that for all of them. Unfortunately, you can't apply this to every video, so you do have to do it one by one. Again, here, we're just going to stop there. Okay, then we are going to add in the effects. So go to effects and go to nightclub and add in vibration flash, and just adjust it a little bit so it's not too much, and add it before the video, so like in the middle of these two. Put the strength to 90, the range to 87, and also the speed to 90. Then you're going to copy and paste it 3 times. So right click copy, right click paste. Just move it here, and you're just going to do the same for all of them. Then on these 3, make the glow 0, and you're just going to select these, right click copy, and you're going to right click paste on everything. If it's too much, if it's too long, you can just adjust it here, because the video is pretty short on the second one. So I'm just going to actually make it kind of shorter. Maybe you can also group them so it's easier for you. I think you have to do it in a compound clip though. Yeah, it's a bit trickier. Then you're just going to, still a little bit too long for my liking, so I'm just going to adjust it. And then I'm going to copy and then paste. Then I'm going to copy this one over here. And then this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!